Hi everyone. We've all opened our email to find a message claiming we've won a lottery we never entered, or a critical alert from a bank we don't even use. We call it spam, and most of the time, we just click delete. But in the world of cybersecurity, anti-spam isn't just about cleaning up your inbox. It is a sophisticated, multi-layered defense system designed to stop the world's most dangerous cyber attacks before they ever reach your screen. Today, we're diving deep into how anti-spam works, the threats it stops, and why it is more critical in 2025 than ever before. So, how does an anti-spam system actually decide what is safe and what is dangerous? It uses a three-layered approach. First, there's reputation-based filtering. Think of this as a digital bouncer. Before even looking at the email content, the system checks the sender's ID. It looks at global blacklists to see if the sender's IP address has a history of bad behavior. It also uses graylisting, a clever trick where it temporarily rejects a message. Legitimate servers will try again. Simple spam bots usually won't. Second, we have content and heuristic analysis. This is the scanner. The system looks for spammy keywords like urgent, free, or wire transfer. But it goes deeper. It uses heuristics, a scoring system that looks for hundreds of tiny red flags, like weird HTML code or hidden text. Many modern systems now use Bayesian filtering, a type of machine learning that actually learns what you consider spam based on your past actions. Finally, there is technical authentication. This is the passport control. It uses protocols like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC to verify that the email actually came from who it says it did, preventing spoofing or impersonation. Anti-spam is our frontline defense against several specific types of attacks. Let's look at some examples. Number 1, phishing. You get an email that looks exactly like a Microsoft 365 login alert. It tells you your password has expired and provides a link. Anti-spam tools scan that link, realize it leads to a fake site in another country, and block it instantly. Number 2, malspam. This is malicious spam. You receive an email with an attachment called invoice_2025.zip. If you open it, you've just installed ransomware. Anti-spam software sandboxes these attachments, opening them in a safe, isolated environment first to see if they behave badly. Number 3, business email compromise, or BC. This is the most expensive type of attack. It looks like a brief, urgent email from your CEO asking for a wire transfer. Anti-spam identifies that the from address is slightly altered, perhaps an M is replaced with an R and N, and flags it as a fraud attempt. And a new threat for 2025, phishing. This is QR code phishing. Instead of a link, the spammer puts a QR code in the email. Modern anti-spam now uses computer vision to scan that QR code and check the destination before you ever pull out your phone. In the enterprise world, we use powerful gateways like Proofpoint or Mimecast. These are heavy-duty shields that filter millions of emails a minute for large corporations. For smaller businesses and individuals, tools like Microsoft Defender for Office 365 or Google Workspace Security are built directly into your platform. They use massive global datasets to catch trends in real time. Even open-source tools like Spam Assassin provide a great, customizable defense for independent servers. In 2025, 80% of all global email traffic is junk. Without anti-spam, our digital communication would simply collapse. It's the silent hero of your daily workflow. I hope this helped you understand the technology keeping your inbox safe. If you'd like to see a direct comparison of the top anti-spam software for your business, just let me know in the comments or the chat. Stay safe out there.